Hi guys, Ashish this side. In this video, I'll show you how you can use extract function and add a new column. Let's open up the Excel file. So this is my data. Let's import this data into Power Query. I'll go to the data tab, click on from table and range. My table says header. I'll hit OK. Power Query has imported the data. To extract the text, we have two options. Either we can go to the transform and extract. In this option, your existing column will be transformed. And if you want to extract a text and add a new column, then you need to go to the add column. And here we have the extract option. This option we will be looking in this video. I have a similar video on this transform and extract where I have done the transformation in the existing column. Let's look at the add column. I'll go to the add column, click on extract. First option we have a length. Let's test this now. Let's say we want to check the length of a pin code. I'll select the column. I'll go to the extract function. I'll select length. So since pin code are a 6-digit number, so I can see that my data is correct. You can also check the mobile number length if there is any inconsistency between the data. I'll go to the extract function, click on length, and my new column is added with the length of a mobile number. Let's check the another one. First character. Let's test this one. Take example of customer bill number. My customer bill number is a combination of first two character of a salesperson, then month and then year. And we want to extract the salesperson first two characters. So I'll select the column, go to extract option, select the first characters. We need the first two characters. I'll enter 2, click OK. And Power Query has extracted the first two characters and added a new column. Let's look at another option, last characters. Let's take example of a stock. Last 5 digits represent the region. So we want to extract that. I'll select the column, go to extract option, click last characters. How many characters we want to keep? 5. I'll enter OK. And Power Query extracted the region and added a new column of a last characters. We can also rename by double clicking it region. Let's look at next option, range. Range is something that you are telling Power Query to start and end characters. Let's test this one. So let's take an example of talk again. You want first 3 characters in that by using range function. I'll select the column, go to extract option and select the range. Since we want first 3 character, then my start index would be 0 and number of character we want to keep only 3. I'll hit OK. Power Query has extracted the first 3 character and added a new column. Let's check for another option, text before delimiter. For this, let's take example of item number. In this column, my delimiter is underscore. I'll select the column, go to extract function, select text before delimiter. My delimiter is underscore. I'll enter underscore. Once I click OK, Power Query will automatically extract the text before delimiter and add a new column. Let's see that. So Power Query has inserted a new column, text before delimiter. Let's check next option, text after delimiter. Let's again take an example of item number. In this column, there are only 3 characters after delimiter which represent the category. So I'll go to extract option, text after delimiter, and then enter underscore, click OK. And Power Query has extracted the text after delimiter. Let's look at the last option, text between delimiter. For this, take example of a stock. We have 2 delimiter, underscore and hyphen. In the stock column, we have first category, clothing, grocery, then underscore, then the stock number, then hyphen, and then region. If we want to extract the stock number, then this will be a good option for us. So we have underscore, hyphen, I'll click OK, and my only stock digit will be left. Power Query has inserted a new column, and this is text between delimiter. And you can see there are only numbers, stock digits available. That's it for the video. That's how you can extract a text from a column and create a new column for that instead of modifying your existing column. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and subscribe my channel.